Okay, this arrived in another package with the heaters. It's the Tetra Whisper air pump. It's set up for 60 gallons, so 6 10-gallon tanks, because that's what we'll be using this on. So let's open it up and see what we think. Oh, let's see here. Oh, comes with some valves. You see that? Kind of neat, valves. Okay. Unwrap this, untie this first. Okay. We'll be hooking this up and running this later today. It has 2 air ports where the air will be going out into the aquarium, and which is good and exciting. So we're looking forward to it. And this is supposed to be pretty quiet too. So let me get the cord straightened out here. Alright, well, thank you for coming to another unboxing. It's Mob Guppy, where the aquarium is the mob.